everybody, I'm Moot Booxle, aka Moot Booxle. I'm here with the STG Soundlabs new venture, which is MooSonics. STG Soundlabs presents MooSonics modules. These are basically, right now we have just the VCA, which is the final incarnation of the Moog 902 VCA, with all of the specifications completely overhauled, and this is what we feel is the ultimate incarnation of this module, and there will be modules to come in the same series, as you can imagine. The other line is more of a DIY budget line, and this is MooSonics. If you can get a little, and notice we there's a different font for each type of module. It's just yeah, it's a lot of fun. These are actually PCB panels, and as you can see, they look great, even though they're PCB panels. And they actually don't, look too much different from the really nice edge panels. These will be first available as DIY kits, but eventually I think there will be, what's the word?
Pre-built?
Pre-built modules, yeah. So these are the new products, the 902, and of course we have the vanilla mixer, the attenuators, and of course all of the other STG, these new cabinets. These are 10-space cabinets with integrated power supplies, and these are sourced locally from the Illinois River Valley, right next to STG Soundlabs in Chillicothe, Illinois. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.
You gotta play me something though.
Moog format is alive and well in 2022. And this is what it sounds like.